What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to give you a quick overview tutorial of the Payhip platform and its different features. Payhip is an online platform that you can use to create your online store to sell digital downloads, coursing, coaching, like digital services, subscriptions, and also physical products. So let's get right to it. First of all, you need to go to their website, that's payhip.com. You'll land on this page right here where you can see some info about the platform, and you can log into your account by clicking on login right here, or click on get started for free to create your account. So let's click on get started for free here, and here you can enter your basic info, so your first name, last name, email address, and password, and then create your account. So I'm going to fill in all the details and then click on create account to carry on with the sign up process. And once you do, it'll create your store. However, first it'll need your store name. So let's say how to simple, continue, and that's how our store link will appear. So payhip.com/howtosimple. Okay, and now I'm redirected to my main dashboard. So here I have some essential tasks to finish, so like adding my first product, set up the checkout and payment methods, and customize my store design. And here at the top I have dashboard, so that's my main dashboard, and products where I can view and add and edit my products, the store, so where I can create my store and edit it. Here of course my store isn't visible because I haven't launched or created any store yet. Here I have some analytics and insights about my stores and my products. I have here marketing, I have customers, and here of course I have my account settings. So in marketing I have coupons. I can create coupons, I can like manage and view sales, affiliate, mailing lists, cross-selling, upgrade, and so on. And in customers, I can view my customers, my subscribers, my email updates, so the subscribers to my like newsletters, the sale reports, and the followers. So let's go back to the dashboard right here. And what you want to do first is if you go to store, and what you want to do of course is creating your store to start selling your products. However, when I click on launch your store builder here to start launching or to start creating my store, it gives me a message to add my product first before like creating my store. So let's click here on add first product. And here you can select the type of the product. So you have digital products like for example, ebooks, software, photos, and so on. Courses if you sell courses, membership if you are offering a membership based service, a physical product of course if you are selling a physical product, coaching service, and a bundle if you are selling multiple products. For this video I'm going to go with digital product, and let's say for example I want to sell a photo, just as an example for this video. I can click here to upload the product file itself. So if I click here, go to downloads, and then like sell this logo for example that I created, open. Okay, it's uploading now. That's the logo itself, or that's the file itself. The title, let's say awesome logo, and let's sell it for $10. Okay, and now the cover image, if it's a book you can upload the book cover right here. If it's a software you can upload like a poster for or a logo of the software, so depending on the type of your product. For me, I'll just upload the same logo as the cover image. And here I can add a description. So this is an awesome logo that you can buy, just anything. And in the visibility, I can set the visibility. So if it's visible for everyone that can see it, if it's invisible, visible for me only, or if it's unlisted, so only people with the direct link can view it. And I can here click on advanced options, and I have more options. So like this product has different variants, so if I click it I can add variations or variants, like for example different formats, like for this case if I'm selling an image, like I can add variations such as PNG, JPEG, and so on. The product is an ebook, so if it's an ebook you should check it because some like fees are applied to ebooks in some countries. Upload a preview file for your customers. like a few page, if you're selling an ebook, like a teaser that your customers can preview. Limit the number of times this product can be sold. Automatically subscribe customers to mailing list if they buy it. Generate a unique license key for each sale. Okay, now I'm ready. Let's add the product. Okay, now the product is added. I can share it on Facebook or Twitter. Now I can click here to show me the product page. And here is how my product will appear. Of course, I cannot receive payments because I haven't added the payment method or like edited the payment methods yet. For now, let's just go back and then go to store. And here, if I click on launch your store builder, it'll open the store editor where my name is written right here, my business name. And here I have two buttons, shop and contact. And here I have my product that I added, the awesome logo, and about me section with a photo and a follow button right here. Now, it looks good. Now we need to edit things a bit. Now to edit any element right here, you go to this tab on the left right here. Here you have header, you have collection or the main body, and you have the footer. So if I click on header, in the header I have the business name and I have these two buttons right here. So I can choose to add a store logo right here. So if I click on choose store logo, I can upload one or select from free images right here. So we can search for images depending on the type. Let's add this photo of a flower. Choose this photo. And now it is added to our header right here. And now you can use different photos for mobile devices. Okay, save changes. Okay, looking good. I can edit the height as well. Okay, save changes. Okay, if I go back here to the navigation links, that's the shop and the contact link, I can edit navigation links. We have here two links, the shop and contact. I can rearrange them like here, and I can add new links. I can make this a sublink for like contacts. Okay, and I can add different additional links. Now, if I edit, like click on this edit button right here, I can edit the name. So let's say contact us, for example, and I can link it to a different page, and I can enable it to open in a new tab. So once the client clicks on the contact, it'll open the contact us page in a new tab. Okay, edit navigation link. Okay, click on apply changes. Now save changes. And now, as you can see, the changes are now saved. Now, if you go back, you have the header settings, the announcement bar, and you have elements. So if I click on elements, for example, here I can show call to action buttons. So get started, and I can link it to all products. So let's save the changes. Okay, now it's added, as you can see right here. Okay, let's go back and let's click back again. In here, I have the collection, I have the about me section, which I showed you. So if I click on it, I can edit it if I want to. I can edit here the text, and I have some advanced options, and I can edit, of course, the image. Now, let's go back. And of course, I have the footer setting right here, where I can edit the footer, my footer of my store. And if I click on add right here, I can add a section or a custom page. And if I click here, of course, I can add new sections that will appear on my store. And here I have many types of sections. So I have image with text, gallery, slideshow, images, text, and so on. And once I am happy with all the edits that I made, I just click on preview here to view how my website or how my store will look like. Okay, looking good. And once I'm happy, I can click here to publish it. So here, let's go back. Let's exit the editor right here. Let's go back. And in the settings here, or in the account, I can have settings. And if I go to settings, it's important to edit my payment details in order to receive payments. So I'll just go through the payment details here. So here by default, I have two payment methods, PayPal and Stripe. And here I can select my default currency. So here I can click here to link my PayPal account, or click here to link my Stripe account in order to start selling products and receive payments. So that's how easy it is to create your store on Payhip to start selling your products.